In no way I'm trying to make this car pretty. It's going to be just a street animal. No, it'll rarely ever get driven on the street. It's just basically for drag challenge. And then once that's over, I'll probably just drag race it. But anyway, I can't get rid of it. It's an XY Falcon. Well, years ago, I used to stay up till 3 in the morning drinking, partying. But, you know, I've been to bed early tonight. So there's the back door, how it's going to close. You have 3 Zeus clips. It's a bit shiny. One there, one here, one down there. Of course, I have the little springs here, and that's how it's going to shut. I did the hard yards. This had no dash into this car at all. It was just a big gaping mess. So yesterday I spent hours cutting in the dash, setting up the steering column, brake pedal, that changed from manual to an auto, lube it all up, the box, it was all seized. I fitted wiper motor. It's an old wiper motor, but I've got another good one coming. But I just wanted to get it in there. So I've got wipers now. I'm going to give it a clean up right now, actually. Coming along, I've got the radiator. Big radiator. Fuel cell. Pete's doing me a deal. Thank you, Pete, for Speedmaster. You'll be hearing a bit more about him with what's going on. So if you need anything, hit me up. Righto, over.